Go. Mason and Jackson like toys.
Hey, welcome to Mason and Jackson Like Toys. Today we have a special spooky Halloween unboxing. What do we have, guys?
Monsters.
Oh, God. Okay, all right. We got a case of the Universal Monsters Funko Mystery Minis from Walgreens, the black and white versions. What do you mean, what?
That's so funny.
Just open the boxes. Whatever. All right, let's go, boys. Start up.
Yeah, we still ain't know what he's daddy.
We found a whole untouched case at Walgreens, and they're getting into them. Oh, we have our special blind bag opener on the side, so Dad doesn't have to do it. Oh boy, we're crashing in transit. What do you get, Jack? Oh, what is that, Jack? The mummy. The mummy.
I got the.
What'd you get, Mason? Mason also got the mummy. So the first two in front are mummies, 1 and 6. If you're keeping track of case.
Jack is already ready.
All right, yep. Grab your next one, Mace. So the first two in front are mummies. Keep that in mind if you're looking for cases. Trying to keep these in order so you can get an idea of case layout. All right, which one did you get, Jacker? You guys gotta talk, so Dad's not the only one doing the talking. All right, so the middle two on the top. Top left is Wolfman. Cool. Let's see
Baby,
it.
look what I got.
Wolfman. All right, Mason. What about you?
Is this what we get the same one?
Wolfman is another 1 and 6. So guess what? Top is another Wolfman. So, all right. Top 2 rows have been 2 1 and 6s. I bet the next one is 1 and 6 too.
This unboxing one is.
Oh, that's funny. All right. Next one, guys. If I were a betting man, I'd say we're looking at Dracula or Frankenstein. What did we get, Jack? Dracula. Let's see it. Hold it up.
Ooh, I also got.
And we also got Dracula. All right. Maybe this isn't the best one to get as a case. So keep in mind, all top rows are all 1 and 6 dupes. All right, Mason's going from the middle row. Jack's going from the front. In case they don't have to fight over them.
We can fight over them, Daddy.
What?
We can't.
You're gonna still? Oh, jeez. All right. Jack is bottom front left. Mason is bottom middle left. You guys are not talking very much. What do you think of these? What'd you get, Jack? Oh, that's the one you wanted, right, Jack?
Yeah.
Show it. Creature from the Black Lagoon. I can't
I'm
see
so
it.
happy I got this.
You're so happy?
Yeah.
All right. Creature is 1 and 12. All right, Jack, which one did you take? So creature, front left, bottom. Mason found a Dracula. That's a different variant of the Dracula. That is the 1 and 24 Dracula. Cool.
I got the 3 more. Now there's 2 left. This is just
All right, Jack is front right. Mason's middle right. What'd you get? The Bride of Frankenstein. Can you hold it up so I can actually see it? Cool. All right. So, another 1 and 12. So the front, bottom are 2 1 and 12s. What did Mason get? Let's see him. Mothman or something like that. I don't know. What do you think? What is he, Mason?
I don't know.
What do you think he is?
I don't know.
He's got lizard hands. Great.
Okay.
Alright,
I got my
so
last one.
that's a 1 and 36. Okay, so middle bottom 1 in 24 on the left, 1 in 36 on the right. All right. What did we get, Jacker? Frankenstein. That is the... Oh, geez. 1 in 6 Frankenstein. I think this case is going to be a big old dud. And the 1 in 6 Frankenstein. Holy cow. So, you have the bottom, front, and middle. Those are your variants. Everything else is 1 in 6s. What do you think, guys?
You didn't got the left. Yes, I did. I did too.
Lots of dupes in this box. This is kind of a bummer. Oh well.
What's your favorite?
What's your favorite one, guys? So out of the rares, we got the 1 in 24 Dracula and 1 in 36, whatever that guy is. Which one's your favorite, Mace?
This one.
Wolfman. Jack, which one's your favorite? As he comes off. Back to the
This
shot.
one.
Hold it up.
Check all that.
Creature from the Black Lagoon. Very cool. What do you think, guys? Pretty cool?
Yep. So.
All right. This was a very quiet video.
Listen,
We'll try to
take
upload
your
more soon.
left.
All right. What do you say, guys? You gonna say bye? Jeez, I don't even know if I can upload this. You guys don't do much in this video.
Listen, let's play.
All right, they're already off and playing. See you next time.